Hi, welcome to Rain and Shine. A very happy Independence Day to everyone in India. Today, on this special day, we celebrate the spirit of freedom and the heroes who fought for our nation. To make this day even more exciting, we've prepared a fun and educational quiz all about India's brave freedom fighters. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's dive into our Independence Day quiz. 1. I led the Salt March in 1930 and am known as the father of the nation. Who am I? Think about the leader who promoted non-violence and inspired millions. Can you name him? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. 2. I was a fierce revolutionary who famously said, "Give me blood, and I will give you freedom." Who am I? This brave leader's words stirred many hearts. Can you figure out who he was? Answer: Subhas Chandra Bose. 3. I was a key figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and am known as the Rani of Jhansi. Who am I? Think of the queen who fought valiantly for her kingdom. Who could she be? Rani Lakshmibai. 4. I was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress and fought for women's rights. Who am I? Can you name the powerful woman who worked for women's empowerment and was a great leader? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. 5. I was a young revolutionary who was hanged at the age of 23, and I famously said, "Inquilab Jindabad." Who am I? This fearless young freedom fighter left a lasting legacy with his powerful slogan. Who was he? Answer: Bhagat Singh. 6. I was known as the Iron Man of India and played a key role in uniting the princely states. Who am I? Think about the leader who brought together many states into one India. Can you name him? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 7. I was a fearless queen of Ullal who fought against Portuguese invaders in the 16th century, and I am known as the first woman freedom fighter of India. Who am I? Can you guess the name of the courageous queen who defended her land from invaders? Answer: Rani Abbakka. 8. I was a lawyer turned freedom fighter who gave the slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it." Who am I? Think about the lawyer who became a powerful leader in the freedom struggle. Who could he be? Answer: Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 9. I was an Indian freedom fighter and poet, known for my patriotic song, Vande Mataram. Who am I? This poet wrote a famous song that inspired many in the freedom movement. Can you name him? Answer: Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. 10. I was a revolutionary who attempted to assassinate a British official in India and later became a spiritual leader. Who am I? Think about the revolutionary who later became known for his spiritual teachings. Who is he? Answer: Sri Aurobindo. 11. I was a key figure in the Quit India movement and later became the Deputy Prime Minister of India. Who am I? Can you name the leader who was a major figure in the Quit India movement and held a high position in the government? Answer: Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. 12. I led the Kakori conspiracy, an attempt to rob a train carrying British government money. Who am I? This revolutionary planned a daring heist against the British. Can you guess his name? Ram Prasad Bismil. 13. I was a freedom fighter and social reformer who campaigned for the abolition of untouchability and worked towards Dalit rights. Who am I? Think about the leader who fought for equality and social justice. Who could he be? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 14. I was a queen of Kittur who led an armed rebellion against the British East India Company in 1824, long before the 1857 revolt. Who am I? Can you name the courageous queen who resisted British rule well before the major uprising? Answer: Kittur Rani Chennamma. 15. I was a leader in the Quit India movement and was imprisoned several times. I later became the first Prime Minister of India. Who am I? Think about the leader who became India's first Prime Minister after leading the Quit India movement. Who was he? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Great job! You did amazing in our Independence Day quiz. We hope you learned something new about our incredible freedom fighters and felt the pride of being an Indian. Thank you for joining us in celebrating this special day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rain and Shine for more fun and learning. Happy Independence Day, and see you in the next video. Jai Hind.